Hi, good evening, everyone. Uh, this is Shweta this side. So I'll just share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Shweta.
Yes, it's visible, right? So as a seller, when you open your portal, this is your portal, partner portal, right? You will log in with your accounts, mail ID and password. It will enter into this portal. So first thing you have to see, this is your seller code. Whatever it is there on the left side, this is your seller code. This is your seller name. Okay. Here, first thing I'll explain you about this profile. Okay. If you see right corner, there is a profile. If you click on that, there are few things here. Profile information, my teams, agreements and declarations. First, I'll explain you about the profile information. Okay. This is the profile information. Barcode, what is their email IDs, phone numbers and everything. If you should verify within every 180 days, the phone numbers and mail ID should be verified. Otherwise, your account will be blocked. Okay. Next thing is bank details. Here, if you see, the seller has only one bank. If you want to change your bank, other bank, if you want to add another bank for here, you can click on this change bank account. Click on this, fill these details and save it. Okay. Once this is done, raise a ticket that we have changed the bank details. Okay. The once the ticket is done here with the present bank name, it will come as an active. This bank one is also will also be present here, but whichever is active, this active will be beside that bank name. Okay, clear? This is about the bank details. Next is my brands. One seller might have different brands.
Hello.
Yes, yes, please.
Your screen has been freeze. I cannot see it.
You cannot see it. Is
Yeah,
everyone?
freeze. It's freeze.
Shruti, is it freezed? Shruti, my screen.
No, Shweta.
Can any other
Okay.
confirm
Let
that
me
my
try.
screen is
Let me rejoin.
Can you
anyone
please
else?
check your internet connection? It's
It's
visible.
working fine, Shweta.
Let
Okay,
me rejoin again.
it's all right now. I think he's rejoining, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. He'll rejoin. Okay, right now is my screen visible?
Well,
If
yes, now the screen is visible.
Hello.
Yes, yes, it is visible.
okay, okay then. Now I think bank details. How to upload the bank details if you want to change your bank name or something. Here you need to come and click, fill the details and upload it. Raise a ticket that we have changed the bank details. So once that is done, here it will show that bank has been updated. With on beside whichever bank it is showing active, that bank is active, and all the transactions will be done to that bank account only. Next is my brands. Here the seller has only one brand. Some sellers might have multiple brands. Otherwise, they want to add more brands here. Okay, what they need to do? Add new brand. Okay, they need to click here, fill this thing. Okay, after filling this, same write a raise a ticket that we want to add a new brand, and we fill the particular details in the partner portal. Please proceed further. Okay, that needed to be done. And one thing, if it is 80, when you are uploading, a listing, when you are uploading a listing, you will get an error that BU mapping failed with CTA not mapped. Okay, this is not BU mapping fails. BU mapping failed with CTA not map. Means this AT addition has been not done. That article type ka addition is not done to your brand. So what you have to do for which brand you are doing, if you have multiple brands, for which brand you want, that brand you need to do this AT addition. Okay, revenue, article type, master category, gender and article type, you need to fill this one. Okay, same everything. After finishing this one, you need to raise a ticket and proceed follow with the procedure. Okay, this is for brand addition and article type matching, like mapping. CTA agreement has not generated for particular article types. You will get that error, BU mapping error with CTA has been not mapped. For that, this thing has to be done. Okay, next is my warehouses and address. One seller might have multiple warehouses. Okay, the seller has only one warehouse. He want to add one more warehouse. Here he need to do that add new warehouse, fill this thing, and same thing. Next, when you have added, you need to raise a consent ticket that warehouse addition has been done. We want to proceed this one. Okay. Next is KYC document. This is the KYC document. Whatever the documents you have, PAN, TAN, everything, you need to add it here.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I have a confusion. Like, can we add a different state warehouse as well?
Yes, you can add multiple warehouses within India. You can add any warehouse, any address.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. While doing the inventory upload, no, you need to upload inventory in both. Like you have to select the warehouse, different warehouses, and you need to upload the inventory in both the warehouses.
Okay.
Okay, that thing I'll tell you further how to upload the inventory and that thing there I can show you. Okay, this is the KYC document. So any doubts in this profile information thing till now?
No.
No, thank you. Next is my teams. If you go to my teams here, this is the, you are giving some new role to someone. You are an admin and you want to give some role to some, doing for PLAs, marketing things. You can add them, add user, and you can give them, and you can give him only particular, role, not admin role. You can give only finance and accounting, or you can give only cataloging, you can give pricing, you can take only both. So he won't be an admin, that person won't be an admin, but he can do particular things on your portal. So in this way, you can add multiple mail IDs and you can give access to them. Okay, this is my teams. Next is agreement and declarations. Agreement and declarations are that whatever agreements we are sending it to you as a sellers, like CTA, prepaid addendum, whatever new CTA has been revised, whatever are there, we will send it over here. Okay, you need to download, read it, and accept it. If it is written accepted here, it is not accepted. If it is empty, then it is accepted. The CTA has been accepted. This prepaid addendum has not been accepted. Okay. Any doubts in my teams and agreement and declarations?
Hello.
Yes. Any doubts?
Yeah, actually, in my case, this admin panel is not working, and that there is a please select. There's a error saying please select a partner from admin page, and this is I have generated multiple
So
cases.
which you're logging in might be not an admin ID.
No, this is the admin ID.
That is the admin ID.
Yeah.
Okay. Shruti, please take this one. Ask them to raise a ticket with the screenshots. Okay.
Ladies, will connect after this call on this issue. Okay, I have to check the details.
Please check that
Yeah.
one once, because we can't open all the accounts here, right? So
Mhm.
she will do personally and she will check what is the issue there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So these things, profile information is clear, right? For everyone. So next we will go back to our home page. One thing in this home page, if you see, there is a partner university here. In the left side, if you click the partner university, Okay, you don't know, and you are otherwise you have appointed someone as a new account manager, or you don't know anything about the portal. You can come and search here about the portal, anything. All the webinars, all the PDFs will be there here. You don't know how to do cataloging. Okay, all the cataloging videos will be coming here. You can go through all this. Whatever can be done on partner portal. If you click here, you will get all the videos and all the PDFs. Okay, this is the partner university. Very useful. Please, whenever you are free, please go through this one.
Uh, Sorry for interrupt, but there is no video for MRP changes.
MRP change, there is no video. I'll tell you today the process.
Okay.
Okay, how to change the MRP.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. The next thing here from starting, I'll come. Here, order compliances of PPMP. Okay, total orders, packaging compliances, handover compliances, and VFS compliances. Total orders, sorry, we too exactly don't know how this system is taking, like 1 day or 2 days or 1 week. This, you can get it in order reports, how many orders you got per day level, per week or per month, we can see it. Next is packaging compliances. Packaging compliances means on time you have not packed your products. Okay, in your whatever OMS you use, like MDirect or other OMS. Okay, once you get the product, what you will do? You will mark it as, first you will confirm the order. After that, you will put it into packing. Once packing is done, you have not that you didn't keep that packing on time. Whatever the time they have given to you, it will go under packaging compliances. So we will give metrics 100 to you as a new seller. Whenever the compliances are happened, your metrics will go down. Why this metrics? Because to make you as a seller's health, business health report, whether you are gold seller, silver seller, or bronze, in which category you will come. This actually depends on that. All these, your revenue, the growth, also all these compliances, it affects that select area, gold, silver, bronze. Okay. Next is handover compliances. Handover compliances is nothing but the person has come to you on time, but you have not given on time. You would have given your products next day. So there will be a breach over there. Okay, vendor handover compliances, VFH. Vendor failed to hand over. So here also the compliances, here also metrics will go down, but here you will be charged. Okay, for one product, 100 to 250 according to your ASP, it will be charged to you if any handover compliances are there. Where to check, how to check, I'll tell you. Okay. Next is VFS compliances. VFS compliances means vendor failed to supply or vendor failed to serve. Means what happens? You can't serve that product itself. Not tomorrow, not 2 days, not 3 days. Some sellers with a mistake, they would have updated inventory, which they don't even have the stock. When they update the inventory, they would have got the order. So they can't fulfill that product because they don't even have it. That is called vendor fail to serve. They don't even serve it. Sometimes what happened, by mistake, they would have updated a huge discounts, which they don't want to, but it was by a mistake. But there also, some sellers, they don't want to fulfill that one. Here what happens now, if you don't fulfill, it will comes under vendor fail to supply. Here also compliances issue will be there. It will affect your seller tiering, and charges will be there. And if it is more than certain percentage, your brand will go delisted. Okay, please make sure about this compliances, packaging compliances, handover compliances, and VFS compliances. Okay, any doubts here regarding this?
Fine.
Yeah, thank you so much. Next, if you see, I'll just explain you overview of this payments here. Okay, if you see the next payment is 16,315 rupees. Next payment means tomorrow you will get this much. Means tomorrow ka what is there, your payment cycle will be D plus 15 days. Delivery plus 15 days. Normally for a normal sellers, bronze sellers, it is D plus 15 days. product should be delivered. After 15 days, you will receive the amount. So in next payment, what all orders will be there which has finished D plus 15 days, that orders ka amount will be here. Okay. In that amount, next day you might have seen it might have gone more than this or less than this. Why? Because if it from today to tomorrow, when it moves this amount, some orders might be added in that. Okay, then you will get more amount. Some deductions might happen, more returns have come, that deductions will happen. Otherwise some marketing or any other thing would have come, that deduction might happen. So tomorrow when the time has come and you have to Myntra has to pay to you, at that time what is the amount, settled amount will be there, that will be paid to you. That is called next payment. Next is total outstanding payment. Total outstanding payment means the till today or yesterday which are delivered, and delivered but which didn't finish D plus 15 days. Which finished D plus 15 days, it is already next payment. Which are delivered but which didn't finish D plus 15 days, that amount is this one. Okay, whatever are pending from your end or our end, everything will be there in this outstanding. In the coming weeks, you will receive this amount. But tomorrow, every 6 hours, this portal will be refreshed. Orders might come, orders, returns might go, everything will happen. So these numbers might change. Okay. Next is payment till date. What is payment till date? From the time of onboarding till date, how much amount you got. This is the net amount, how much amount you got in your bank account. This is the payment till date. Any doubts here?
No.
Okay, thank you. So
Shweta?
here,
How to
yes.
check? See, अगर कोई ये तो एक particular duration का दिखा रहा है handover compliance and VFX compliance. But if in case हमें overall अब तक के जो भी compliances हुए हों, वो हम कैसे check कर सकते हैं?
Overall, we cannot check. Month on month, we can check it.
Okay, there's no way कि हम
If
इसे
it's
overall
overall
देख सकते
percentage, we can check it. But overall, how many it happened, month on month, we can check it, not on overall level.
हैं. Okay, month on month, how can we check?
I'll show you. When I go to that tabs, no, I'll show you how to check all those things. Okay.
अच्छा, पेमेंट पे अगर हम कोई पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर का चेक करना चाहते हैं तो वो चेक कर सकते हैं, किस पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर पे हमें कितने पैसे आए या
हाँ, वो सब check करते हैं. I think next sessions में you will have a payment session. Okay, that also I'll only take it. In that I'll give you in detail explanation about the payments. Per order level पे कितना हुआ है, क्या होता है, everything in detail about the payments I'll explain. This is only regarding the catalog. So I'll explain about the catalog.
Sure.
Okay. Next payments ka thing I'll explain you in detail. If I go in that one, it takes a little longer time, 1 to 2 hours. So I'll explain you later in the payment session. So in this portal, if you see here, right side, there is a buyer's questions. Okay, buyers will ask you a few questions. If you answer, it is well and good that, it will reach out to your buyers. Can it help in reducing dark circles? If it is yes, no, what happened, you can do it here. Okay. Here, So this is about the home portal. Okay. If you want to raise any tickets, you can click on raise a ticket. If I click, that access is not there because I'm not a seller. So we don't get the access to raise a ticket. If you click a raise on ticket, your access will be different. Okay. You need to raise a ticket from that, whatever issues. If it is technical issues, select the tech issues and do the tech issues. If it is cataloging, select the cataloging and write a ticket. Okay, raise a ticket through this raise to ticket. Okay, this is done. Next one is impersonate, buying an inventory. This don't need. Next, we will go to catalog. How to do cataloging normally. So if you go catalog, go to cataloging. Okay, catalog and cataloging. Now you need to download DIY template. Only download the templates which you are already doing. Like, this article types or this, you are into, women's western wear. You can only do women's western wear cutting. If you don't have any CTA or any BU mapping to your other categories, if you upload also, it will give an error. For example, you are into women's ethnic, so you can do kurtis. Okay, we can take kurtis at a time. We can take more than one. Okay, kurtis is done. So they want to do add two kurtis and two kurtas. Okay, they can take this one. Download the listing report. Not report, sorry, listing file. It has downloaded. Okay, this is the listing file. Okay, if you see kurtis and kurtas, I have downloaded 2 sheets. Kurtis and kurtas, I got 2. If you want more, you can add it more. If you want to do 1, you can do it 1. So when you download, you need to fill this sheet according to whatever the article types, whatever the things you have. So this is the first thing, style ID. This is given by Myntra, so it should be empty. Okay, whichever is yellow and red, that is mandatory. Style group ID should be in a number, whatever the number it is. But if you are doing different products like kurtis, if you are doing 3-4 kurtis, which you are not doing any variations, then you have to give 1, 2, okay, 3. But if at all you are doing same kurti as a size variations, okay, small, medium, large, XL, then you need to do it as, for everything you need to give it as 1, 1, 1. Okay, for grouping, variation grouping, you need to give style group ID same. Okay, it might be color grouping, it might be size grouping. You need to do this one. Next is vendor SKU code. You have your own SKU code for your product that needed to be written here. Next is vendor article number. It can be a number. It can be same as vendor SKU code as well. Okay. Next is vendor article name. It is a name, vendor article name. Next is brand. In here, whatever are drop downs, you need to select from drop downs. Don't take from old sheets and copy paste it. And one more thing, you might have old sheet, in that only you have filled these all things and uploaded. Don't do that. You please download the new sheet whenever you are doing the new listing. Okay, because every day we don't know what some changes might be there in the sheet, something might happen. These all small errors. You don't even know, while uploading you will get an error. You don't know what that error is for. Okay, this is the small reasons you need to remember that you need to download every time one new sheet to upload the article, like listings, to do the listings. So this is the address, manufacturing name and address, packaging name and address. If your product is imported, you need to give the import address and the country of origins. Okay, country of origins. Sorry. Article type. What article type? If you download, only we have taken 2. That's why we got 2. But whatever you are doing, take that one. Brand size. Here, brand size is very important. Because of this, so many listings will go into rejections, marketplace rejections, PMRs. So brand size is that if at all, if it is an apparel like kurtis or something, it should be small, medium, large, XL. Okay, if it is a shirt, that should be in numbers 28, 26, 25, 30, 32 kind of. If it is a pant, also numbers. If it is kids, age 12 to 13 years, months or something, it should be written that way. If it is an BPC, beauty and personal care product, it should be like 50 grams, 100 ml. Okay, that should be there. If it is a thing, okay, that should be in pieces, 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. Okay, if it is any bundles, like example, if you take a beauty and personal care, they are selling it as a set of something, gift. There might be 2 or 3 products in that. For example, 50 ml moisturizer is there, 100 grams sunscreen is there. Whatever they have, they need to mention in this way. Okay, if it is multiple products, if it is a pack of something, they need to do. If two products are of same 50 ml, 2 into 50 ml. Okay.
Shweta, please check the chat once.
Okay. Sorry. For jewelry, it's a piece, right? For leather bags also. It's an thing. Those are things. How many are there? Okay. Lingari, that is a size. Size small, medium, large. Otherwise, if you have, 30, 32, 31, that's a variations that you can do. Size variations. Okay.
So as I'm dealing with curtain, what is the size?
You are
Curtains.
dealing with the curtains. You have different
Yeah.
sizes of curtains you have.
Yeah.
So you need to mention in the size different sizes. If you have a particular size, you need to mention the size. Like,
Okay.
is it in inches or something? Or you
Yeah,
will
it's in
say
feet.
small,
It's in
medium, large?
feet, inches. Yeah. No, it's in feet and inches.
Feet and inches. Okay. Then the fit. I think one piece should be there here. 1 minute. I'll just tell you. It should be okay. The sheet will be different for different things. I'll download for one curtain sheet so that we will know what all. Partner portal download curtains and sheets. Okay. Download the template. If you see, this is the standard size: window, door, long door, one size or pack. So you can give it as window, long door, whatever. Otherwise, the size. I'll tell you exactly. Otherwise, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. I'll tell you. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
See, if you see here, this is already which they have done. But there is no size here. Brand size, window. If it is a window they need to do. If it is a, you know, door, they need to mention that one. For the size, you have one more thing. Like, you know, I'll show you the main sheet for the curtains.
Shweta, I think you have network issue. Your screen is not visible properly.
Sorry,
Your screen is not visible properly.
not visible or not visible properly.
Not visible properly.
Okay, okay, just give me. I'll.
It's freezing sometime.
Yeah, sorry. It's okay right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So brand size, you have to take windows, doors, or whatever you have to take, but you need to mention there is a fit and size, right? You need to mention the dimensions there. There is a dimension ka, fit and size and fit description. You need to give the dimension of that product.
Okay.
Okay, what is the inches, foot, or whatever it is. But here you need to take window, door, whatever you are giving, like curtain for what in the brand size.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Is standard size present or not here? Yes or no? Means on the product, you have that size, whatever the size you are saying is present or not. For example, for anything like apparel or something, you will have a size there. Or for beauty products also, you will return, size will be written there. Example, it is a home product, something. There won't be any size written over there. Right? Example, if it is a BPC, but it's a hair dryer, they won't mention any size. No, there they need to mention no. If on the product, if the size is mentioned, then you need to keep yes. Okay. Next is brand color. Brand color is, you know, whatever the product color is, that is brand color. Next, GTIN. GTIN should be unique for each product. Next is HSN. Government would have given for each article type different HSN, that HSN to be mentioned here. Okay, next is SKU code. This V column should be empty. Same this style ID and this SKU code. This is Myntra's SKU code. You should not write anything here. Only vendor SKU code you need to write. Okay, next is MRP, age group, prominent color. If you have secondary colors in that, this one. In the fashion, if you see in the drop down, if it is apparel, go for fashion. If it is other than apparel or something, go for core. These are all forward and everything. These are for the bigger brands. If you have any forward, like your brand is in forward in Myntra, then you can select that one. Otherwise, you should not select. Okay, here usage. All these things which are not mandatory. If you don't write also, it will upload. But I will suggest you to fill everything to be, you know, get a good search result. And to get anything like, you know, tags kind of, if something they are doing in Myntra on the app, ethnic wear. Sometimes they will take all the sellers who tagged under ethnic, they will grab all those things, all the products. So don't make sure that you write everything whichever are possible. Don't think that this is not mandatory and don't uh, leave it empty. Here is product description, style note, material care description. These are also not mandatory. If you don't write also, sheet will be uploaded. But product description is details is very important. Please write all the product details, style note and everything. Okay, material care description, size and fit description, product display name. There are two names. If you see vendor article name will be there and product display name will be there. These are two names. Example, if you go on Myntra, if you see, I have typed curtains, right? If you see down, this is called listing name. Okay, this is the list view. This is called listing name. It should be less than 30 characters. When you click on something and go inside, this is called display name. You can see it should be less than 90 characters. This is a bit longer one. These are a bit shorter ones. So in this sheet, this you need to mention less than 90. If you don't mention also, Myntra will give you automatically the name to that product. Okay. Next is tags. Tags is nothing but keywords, but you need to mention only relevant keywords. If you mention any other keywords in this, unlike Amazon or something, Amazon may they will keep bigger brands ka name in keywords. So Myntra may never do that. It will be rejected afterwards. So keep the relevant keywords which is okay with your product. Okay. Added date, color variant grouping. If you are grouping that one, color variant, type, fabric. So you need to fill according to your article type, the sheet will change. So you need to fill all these things. So don't give any image links here. Never give any image links. No Google Drive links work. No other links works here. Just write it till here. Save it. Come to your partner portal. Add DIY products. Add that sheet and upload it. Okay. If here store should be Myntra. Studio should be, if you are doing any photo shoot from any other studios, you can select that studio. Otherwise, take other studio, upload that sheet, and done. If at all any error is there when you are uploading here, you will get an error. Okay, something is missing, something you have not done. I told you one issue like when we are doing AT mapping. Here only when you are uploading, you will get that BU mapping error with CTA has not mapped. Then you have to do that AT addition. And one more error will be there. BU mapping has not done. AT has added, but mapping has not done. You got the commission terms, but it was not added. Just you need to raise a ticket for BU mapping. BU mapping, no need of doing any AT or anything. Just raise a ticket for BU mapping. There will be a template. You need to fill that template. They will do the BU mapping. Once it is done, you can upload the listing. So without images, you are uploading the listing. How it looks without images. Here, if you see in the yellow one, these are without images when they have uploaded it. So after this one, you need to upload the images. How to upload the images? If you see right corner, there is view details. Click on view details. Okay. If you want to upload for each thing, come and click here upload. Upload the images and upload it here. Once you are done with all the things, you need to click on submit. Then only it will be done. No, you have multiple, somebody's are into apparel, kurtis or whatever they do at a time, like hundreds or 200, they can't upload each thing. What they need to do, click on this upload image folder. Here there is a process. What is that process? Create a folder with the name target. Inside that target, you need to create different folders with the name of this WAN number, exact WAN number, whatever you have given here, you need to create each folder with this WAN number. Inside that WAN number, you need to keep your images in a sequence manner and upload it. Okay, upload this target file. It will be done. Once this is done, again, click on the submit. Don't forget to click on the submit. Okay. Is this clear? Image uploading. Previously, it was cataloging, image uploader was there. Right now, image uploader is not working. This is the process you need to do the image uploading. Okay. Once image upload is also done. Yes, any doubts? How to upload title? Because now all trousers have same title. So already it's there. You need to do it on the ticket. Content correction. If you raise a ticket for content correction, they will share you a content correction sheet. In that you need to mention for which style ID, what is the old name, what is the new name, and you need to give business justification why you want to change it. Okay, if you give that business justification with both the names before and new and old, they will change it. Okay, it's to the ticket. Okay. Once image upload is done, how it looks. If you see here, lot in progress. After we have submitted the file, after that we have uploaded the image, it will go into lot in progress. Lot in progress means it will go to the catalog team. They will check it and they will make the style live. Okay. How to check whether it is live or not? You see on the view details. These are FRG. These are FRG. You can't see this one. This. It should come P here. Okay, when the catalog style status is P and when the style is generated, then means your style ID has been generated, catalog is style is done. But after this also you need to do two things. Once this is done, you need to seller approval and inventory upload. How to do the seller approval? Again, go to catalog, go to the platform sellers, catalog, platform sellers. Here, nothing is for approval, so it is not showing. I'll just show you which is approved. See, which is approved, it is showing as approved. But before that, it will come in yellow to get approval. Just click on this one, change seller approval, click on seller approval. Dialog box will come to change it into approved. Once it is approved, there the seller approval will be done. Okay, next you need to do the inventory. When I'm explaining you about the OMS, that time I will tell you how to upload the inventory. Once this both things are done, means immediately on Myntra's portal, your style ID is live. Okay. Any doubts here? No, right? Can I proceed? Okay. So this is done. Cataloging is done. How to do, download the article types, upload the sheet, and how to check whether it is live or not. After that, you need to give seller approval and inventory. That is done here. Next, we will go to MRP updates and delist the any style ID or listing the style ID. We can see here listing management, catalog, go to listing management. If you see here, you can see your listing quality also. Each style ID ka quality you can check. How is your style ID? Why? No, overall brand level pay it is 3 star average. Why it is? Because of all your metrics also. Metrics depends on that. Everything depends. Returns, everything depends on all these. So when you come here, if you click on right side, okay, upload, click on upload. Here if you see listing status and MRP bulk update. Okay, how to update MRP? Click on MRP bulk update. Download this template. Okay, MRP bulk update template is downloaded. Okay, it is downloaded. Next thing is very important. If you don't do that, MRP will be not updated. You need to change the sheet name to MRP. Only the sheet name should be MRP. Make sure you don't have any other file with MRP because it will save as MRP1. So make sure the sheet name should be MRP. So after that, put the style IDs, what the current MRP, and store should be selected from drop down. It will come Myntra. It is not enabled, so it is not. Okay. Myntra you need to select your style ID and MRP. Once this is done, save it with the name MRP. Come here, choose the file, upload it. After uploading, click it on submit as well. Once you upload, don't think that it is uploaded. Once it is uploaded, click it on submit. This is called here. This is a process for MRP updations. Okay. Any doubts in MRP updations? No, right? Next is you want to deactivate the any style. Okay, you have one style, you want to deactivate it. Before it used to happen through the ticket. You used to write to the tech team that you please deactivate the style ID. Now, no need of going to the listing status, download this template, put the style ID in this template. And here also you need to change the name. Okay, store should be Myntra style ID. Here you should change the name for this template as well. For this, any name you can give, but don't use caps locks, don't use any special characters or anything. Normal. Put it as for active, ACTIV, small letters, dot, just it will come as .csv anyway. So change the name, come again, upload it, select it, whether for it is active to deactive. Do that one and submit it. Okay. Understood? Yeah, right. MRPs and while
Where do I get this style ID?
sorry,
From where we get this style ID?
you
Style ID.
want the style IDs. Normally, if you want to see on the Myntra, you can get it. Okay, if you click on the product, for all the style IDs, I'll show you all your listing ka style IDs where you will get it. But a particular product ka style ID, if
Listing
you
style
want,
ID.
a particular product ka style ID, you can get it here if you want.
Okay.
But overall, I'll tell you. While downloading the reports, I'll tell you. While adding products, I got an error regarding product image upload that additional angle image is required. How to rectify this? This is the PMR issue. Adding products, I got an error regarding product. Additional angle image. Do you have this one? Like, what is the images, how to upload the images, and what is the sizes and what needed to be done for each article type. Different sizes and different procedure is there. That's the thing I have told you. Go to the partner portal, home. You have partner university here. Okay. Image guidelines. For each article type, there is different guidelines. Okay. Like, different, if it is in a bag, okay, they need an open angle from top view. Where everything should be open and it should give an open angle. For normal BPC product, they don't ask open angles. Okay, for each thing for each article type, they have different guidelines to upload the images. Please go to your university and download these things. You will have an idea about your article types, what is missing, and you can do it. How to upload that additional image is already your style is live. So if you are getting an error, where you are getting an error, example, I'm going here, cataloging. While adding here, you are getting an error, right?
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, tell me. What is exactly
क्या
the
हो
issue?
रहा है कि मेरा जो वो SKU है वो लाइव नहीं है, लेकिन जब मैंने रिपोर्ट इन्वेंटरी रिपोर्ट डाउनलोड किया तब वहां पे वो एरर दिखा रहा है, मतलब डिटेल दिखा रहा है कि एक एंगल का इमेज मिसिंग है. तो वो अगर वो
It
मिसिंग
might be
इमेज,
in PMR. It might be in
यस
PMR.
यस इट इज PMR.
So how to do it? PMR process, I will tell you. You will know that. How to do the PMR. If at all the style goes into the PMR, what is the procedure? I'll tell you. You will know then.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. How to change name of existing style ID. If you want to change any attribute of your product, no, just raise a ticket for attribute changes. They will send you a content correction form. Okay, a sheet. You need to fill that sheet. In that, there will be so many columns. If it is for names, fill only for the names. If you want to change the sizes, change the sizes. If you want to change the descriptions, you can change the descriptions as well. But there you have two columns for each, old one and new one. And starting with style ID with the justification, they will ask in another one. You need to give style ID, justification, and what you are changing. That two things should be mentioned. Otherwise, I'll show you this content correction. They will send you these 2 sheets. Okay, any one, personal care or non-personal care. Just open that content correction sheet. Over the ticket, you will get it. Okay, this is called content correction sheet. Here you need to mention your style ID. Here you need to mention your reason for change. Why are you changing that one? Okay. Here, what you want to change. Display name change you want to do. Otherwise, by mistake, your article type in some other article type, you want to change it to your new article type. So current one and new one. Whatever you want to do, fill that one. It is not mandatory. You need to fill everything. Whatever you want to change, fill here with current and new input, sorry. And this style ID and this reason is mandatory. Okay, upload over the ticket, it will be changed, but with good business justification. Without any justification, they won't do it. Okay, if style not live, is there no style ID as well? Then how to update these files? Means it might be in draft stage. Okay, still it is in under process. If it is showing in D there, it is still in draft stage. Matlab it is with catalog team, they are doing that one. After that, it will go to live. Is that the question you have asked or any other thing, Disha?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, tell me.
See, if there's written style creation blocked, style not live, okay?
Okay.
So then, see, this happened with just one color of the, same style. Other colors are live, but in one color, it is written in status, style creation blocked. And style ID is style not live, okay? So
Okay.
now, how do I update it?
So one thing here is that you will get a mail regarding why it is style has been blocked. Okay. Normally, everybody with if it is rejected, the lot is rejected or something, you will get a mail. Otherwise, if you don't get a mail, that is a technical issue. You need to do it once again.
So once again, if I am doing, so I think if I tried, there was like, some duplicate
Duplication
product is
error.
available. Yeah, put something like that. So then,
Just give me 1 minute. This the rejection, partner rejection. Actually, there will. Are you getting any rejection button there over there with that style ID to reject it?
no,
It is not happening. So
no.
for this one, you need to raise a ticket only, Disha, because it's a technical issue. It's stuck in the middle, which it is not taking again the SKU because of the duplication, and this one is also not happening.
Okay.
Okay, take a screenshot, raise a ticket.
Hmm.
Okay, from technical
Okay.
team, it will be done. Once it is done, they will tell you to do once again. This one you need to do again.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Okay. So cataloging, listing management is done. So next thing is reports. I'll tell you everything, but so many people are asking about the reports ka doubt. So I'm going to reports. Reports, operational reports. Okay. Select Myntra, partner type, MDirect. If you are using OMS as MDirect, select MDirect. If your OMS is third party OMS, then select PPMP here. Okay. Then you can select different types of reports. First one is WPR report. WPR report is nothing but wrong product returns. How many products you have sent wrong to the customers. Okay, that report will be there. For this also, you will be charged. If you are sending more than this wrong product returns, for every product you will be charged for that. Select this one. If you want, select date from when to when and generate the report. Okay. It will take little time to download. Next thing is order reports. Day on day orders or month on month orders, whatever the date to yesterday, till yesterday it will be updated. Not 2 days, it won't be updated till yesterday. If you download on the date basis, it will come. If you see order report, because it takes time to download, I'm already whatever it is there, I'm downloading and I'll show you. So this is the order report. If you see, this is very important. Make sure whenever you are raising a concern or something, or and say order release ID, share your order ID, anything, you need to give these order IDs. Okay, order release ID or order ID. This is the order ID. You need to mention these order IDs whenever you are talking about something about the orders. Okay. If you see seller order ID, FK, style ID, seller SKU code, which product has gone, what is it SKU, seller SKU code, what is it seller SKU ID, Myntra's SKU code, size, which size has gone that order. All the information about that order will be there here. Which courier, okay, Flipkart logistic has been done. Tracking address will be there here. Okay. This is the seller warehouse ID. If you don't know what is your warehouse ID, this is your warehouse ID. Okay, seller warehouse ID will be here. If you have multiple warehouses, here it will come multiple warehouse IDs, that from this warehouse ID, this order has been gone. Okay. If it is cancelled, reason, this is the reason why it is cancelled, delayed delivery cancellation. Okay. These are all not important dates and everything. If you see here, final amount, total MRP, this is the discount, coupon discount. Finally, this is the amount. Shipping charges and everything will come in the payment. Everything is here. I'll tell you when I'm explaining you about the payment in detail. For one order, what is the MRP, selling price, what will be deducted and what you will get it. Okay. So where you got the order, Thane, Maharashtra, zip code. These are all the orders. From that day to this day, how many orders have come? You can see here. They got 390 orders. Okay. This is the order report. Next thing is return report. Same as the order report, what all orders have we got return. That is the return report. Okay, please download and check. If you have any doubts over there, please reach out to Shruti. I can also help you over there if you reach out to her. Next is cancellation report. Cancellation reports also, which orders are cancelled before starting from the seller, which are cancelled. That is called cancellation reports. Okay. Next main thing I want to talk to you about, the listing report. Okay. If you download this listing report, in this listing report, what we have is from the day you started till now, whatever the listings you have done, irrespective of their status, it might be delisted, you are not using it, you are no inventories there, whatever is there, all the styles will be there here. One of you asked where to get the style IDs. These are all the style IDs. Right now you have on your brand. Okay. So this style ID, each article type, if you filter and see the lipstick, how many styles are there in that. Okay. All the details, seller name, size, SKU code, SKU ID, SKU code, VAN, MRP. Okay. So here one more thing, one more people asked if it is in PMR. Okay. If the style is in PMR, we will see one. If you see this style ID is in PMR. Why it is in PMR? Go right and see here in the T column. They have used the image with the celebrity, but they have not shared the NOC for that. Okay, if they share the NOC for that, the style will go live. Okay, and one more thing here, one more it is there. Units missing in brand size. So how to do this? Now you got to know what is missing here. You want to rectify it. What you have to do? Go to this style ID, copy this style ID. Okay, go to this style ID, copy this style ID. Come back to the portal. Go to cataloging, cataloging. First, we need to get that filled sheet, whatever you have filled before, right? Go to style view. Okay, go to style view. Come down. Here down there is style ID. Paste it. Okay. Down if you see, you got same thing, units in brand size. But why we have opened this? To get the lot ID. Okay. Copy this lot ID. Again, come up. Go to lot view. Copy this lot and search. You will get your lot and the sheet which you have filled. So you need to open that sheet, fill the sheet. So this is the sheet what they have filled. Okay. What is wrong there? Units are missing or something. What is there? Brand size. They have given only 100. It might be, it is ml or grams. What they are talking about. Okay. This is the wrong what they have done. Right. They need to mention 100 grams. They need to, whatever wrong is there, they need to rectify it, correct it. Whatever the wrongs are here, what is the on hold reason we got. If it is regarding this any listing to be changed, come here in this sheet, change that one. For example, in this 3R PMR, 4 are not there. Remove that 4 which are present. Only keep the style IDs which are in PMR. Correct it, whatever the corrections are there, please correct it. Save that one. Save the file in a Google Drive link. Save that file in Google Drive link. So again, go to catalog, come down catalog correction and resubmission form. Okay. This is email IDs. Please mention your email IDs, brand name, seller ID, lot ID, number of styles you are doing. Right now, example, you are doing for 3 styles. Put it as 3 styles. So now what we have changed, any content correction you are changing or any image you are changing, whatever you are changing. Right now we are doing the content correction like brand size or something. So attribute, click on next. There you will get to paste that Google Drive link where you have given that sheet ka link, right? Put that sheet in Google Drive link. In next page, they will ask you Google Drive link. Put that Google Drive link and submit it. This is PMR process. Once you have submitted, within 2 to 3 working days, it will be done. If you have done correct, then the style will be live. If you are done wrong, again go to your partner portal, order reports, download the listing reports and see with the date, you will get a new comment. Why it is in again PMR. This is the thing. And next thing is if something is wrong in images. Okay, right now, whatever we have seen, any content correction we have, if it is wrong, how to download the sheet and how to upload, we have seen. But if it is image error or you need to add the image in that. So what we need to do, same, go to the catalog correction and resubmission form. Your form will come, fill everything, come here and click on image. Go to next, there also they will ask Google Drive link. So same in one of the Google Drive link, put that image, okay, put that image and add that Google Drive link here and submit it. Your image will be added within 2 to 3 working days. Is it clear for your answer? PMR? Someone asked about the PMR. Okay, so everything clear about the PMR? Don't raise any tickets for the PMR. This is the process. Shruti will share you the process as well, PDF, everything is there. Whatever I told, PDF is also there. This recording will also be there. Everything will be shared with. Okay. This is done. Order reports. Still, what all remaining in order reports? Myntra, indirect, select. Next is inventory report. How much present inventory? You can't select any dates. Present inventory, it will show you according to your warehouse IDs. Okay, if it is only M direct. If it is other OMS, you need to check in their OMS. Got it? Any doubts in this reports? Operational reports?
No.
Thank you. Okay. So reports are finished. And if you go to your support, same the tickets,
So
how to, yes.
if someone wants to update the inventory,
Okay.
so
Should I tell you about the OMS?
yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you about the OMS. For us, it directly didn't want to open. Just give me 1 minute. This is how your OMS looks like. Okay. Whatever the orders you got, priority orders, impact, transit, everything will be there here. Okay. If you want, see the orders in different warehouses. Right side, there is a change. Come here. The seller to have only one warehouse. Okay. Select that one. Okay. If they have multiple warehouses, they can change the warehouse and see the portal. Same way, if they want to update the inventory, go to inventory management. Again, if you want to change the, in what warehouse you want to change, you can change there. Come here, there is update inventory. Okay. Here, inventory management, update inventory. Okay. Click on that. Here you have a sample upload file. There are so many files. Normally, these two things won't come. Sorry. This thing won't come. This thing. Okay. Only these two things will be asked for the inventory upload. SKU code and quantity. Seller SKU code. This is your SKU code, whatever you're updating while listing now. That SKU code and quantity you need to mention here. Okay. Just fill that one. Come back. Choose that file. Upload here. That will be done. Your inventory will be done. If at all, if you are not seeing any error, if it is successful, inventory is uploaded. But while it is in progress, picking any pickup is there, any progress is there, inventory while picking is in process. You should not do at that point of time.
And if I want to make a 0, then we the
Same,
same
put
process.
it in that sheet 0 and update it. Okay.
Okay.
This is OMS. What is the difference between M Direct and other OMS is that M Direct is Myntra's OMS. You can update inventory for only Myntra. Okay. In example, for your warehouse, you have one product, you have 10 inventories there. In Myntra, one has been sold. But manually, you need to make in other platforms 9. Automatically, it doesn't show. But with other OMS, if you have third party and universal OMS, there if it is 10, in everywhere it shows 10. There if it one goes in other platform also, in every platform, it will show us 9. Got it?
Yeah.
And In Myntra, M Direct, per order 1 rupee is charged with plus GST. M Direct for using Myntra's OMS, per order 1 rupee plus GST has been charged. Okay, OMS is understood. Any doubts in the OMS?
No.
Okay. Okay, then this is done. Next, we will go to pricing promo ads. Okay, in pricing promo ads, we have, let me, because this doesn't work. Okay, there is deal session. You will get deals like this in your portal. Okay, these are called deal of the days. Go through the portal and see there is a deal of the days here. KW means kids wear. Whoever are doing kids wear, they can opt in for this deal of the days. Okay, what they are asking from starting 18, only for 3:30 to 8. On 18, 3:30 to 8, they can do it. Just give me 1 minute. So I think last week you had the session, it seems, na? All this about the deals and everything.
Yes, yes.
So today this is the session for cataloging. If you have any doubts, I think somebody has asked the doubt here. How can we check returns in M Direct? M Direct. If you go to admin panel, order report returns, here it is. There's whichever are returned, cancelled, it will be here. Okay.
But I can't see any return here. I've checked it multiple times.
You can't see any returns, but you can check it in the report.
You can check the returns in reports, not in M Direct.
Reports. I have shown you the operational reports, right? Download that operational reports. In that return reports downloaded, you can check it over there. Day on day, or you can check month on month. You can check whatever you want. You can check, but till it will be till yesterday.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any doubts till now?
No, thank you.
Okay. No doubts, right? Anyone else? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. If anything is there, please reach out to Shruti. Okay.
Thank you, Shweta.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Shruti. Bye.